you are a fan of Naturo candy, then you would absolutely love this homemade mango slices, which taste like a Naturo. Enjoy with your kids and have fun.